Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, waking up the energy of your body. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Alternate between lifting and lowering through your right leg, contracting through your thigh muscles, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, clasp your hands beneath your chair as you continue to lift and lower through your right leg, squeezing and contracting at the top of the movement. Sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your left leg. Alternate between lifting and lowering through your left leg, contracting through your thigh muscles. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, clasp your hands beneath your chair as you continue to lift and lower through your left leg, sitting tall with your core engaged, pausing at the top of the movement, contracting through your hips and thigh muscles. Release and return to center. Repeat the first leg lift variations. Or for more of a challenge, clasp your hands beneath your chair and extend your right leg forward. Lift and lower through your right leg, keeping your core engaged, squeezing and contracting at the top of the movement, strengthening through your hip flexors and quadriceps. Continue breathing deeply as you release and repeat on the opposite side. Sitting tall with your core engaged, lift and lower through your left leg, contracting through your hip flexors and quadriceps. Continue sitting tall, moving at your own pace, resting when you need to. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.